Okay, I just picked up this caliper for $2.88. It's got free delivery, so I paid a total of $3.06 delivered to my house. And it looks like it's metal here. I believe it is metal here. This is plastic, but the caliper itself is metal. And it looks pretty nice for the price. I mean, I figured I'd share it and let everybody see this. Might want to order it. I'll put the link to it in the description and try to put it down below this video. Yeah, it looks pretty good. If I scroll down here, see it says stainless steel frame. Let me give you what's in the box. 6-inch standard digital caliper, extra battery, custom fitted storage case, owner's manual. Yeah, pretty good deal. Thanks for watching and have a great day.